Hi, 大家好, I'm Alison. Welcome back to my channel. When you learn Chinese, have you been feeling confused about some Chinese characters which have the same English translation but actually have different meanings? Today, we will continue to clarify the differences between characters that has the same English translations but different meanings in Chinese. And the word for today are 想 and 要. Both 想 and 要 can express personal wishes and intentions, translate as want. But what are the difference between them? 想 means want, but it also means think. So it will express a more softer wishful thinking. When you use 想, it is normally the case that you have an idea in your head, but you are not sure you will do it in the end or not. It may or may not be the case. On the other hand, 要 express a stronger will. When you say 要, it usually means that you are very deterministic of getting or doing something. It's not only I want to do something, but also am going to do something. Others cannot refuse. For example, 我想买一个包 and 我要买一个包 both translate as I want to buy a bag. First, 我想买一个包 more means I have the idea of buying a bag, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it. 我要买一个包 means I want to buy a bag and I definitely will get it. Another example, 我想帮你 我要帮你 The first one, 我想帮你 is just expressing an idea. I would like to help you or I wish I could help you. So it will normally be followed by the word but, with some other excuse. And the second, 我要帮你 is I have decided to help you. So whatever the problem is, I will help you. Because 想 is softer. So when you want to have something and want to be polite at the same time, you can combine them together as 想要. But if you use 要 only, it's a little bit like ordering someone around. It can make people uncomfortable. It's the same for the negative. 不想 it means I don't really want to, but it can be changed. 不要 is more adamant. It means I don't want, so no one can change it. 你学会了吗? If you like my videos, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up.